Well, let's tell people out here in San Quentin, California. Again, coming back at you. I was just like thinking, there's a lot of friends out here that might not know what I'm doing. And I'm like, what the heck? You're showing somebody out here doing all this weird like dancing and stuff? Well, you know what it is? It's like God has changed in my life. He has put a change in my life. I've made a decision to change some things in my life. Things that have held me back have spun me downward spiral into like days and months of poverty. And so I'm just, stepping out into more of the joy in my heart. God has put so much joy in my heart. And I got to come out here and share it with you. So there's a couple of people out here that I really want to recognize. And this song is on here. It's your thing. It's your thing. Do what you want to do. Don't let nobody hold you back. Don't let nobody put you in a box of their own judgmentalism. Alright. So there's a couple people that I want to recognize tonight. And one of those really great, awesome women, entrepreneur, is Shawn DeCapo. She's been going through some trials and tribulations lately, like her ceiling fell in the middle of the night and just like woke her up in the middle of the night. Thank God she's safe and nothing hurt her from the ceiling dropping down. But you know what? I know what she's going through. I know that she's going through a struggle, and it's really hard to be in a really good mood and happy when things like that go on. But you know what? You got to look at it in a positive sense, girl. You know what? God is changing you. He's strengthening you by all these things that you're going through. And I just want you to know that you're inspiring to me. You are so inspiring to me. You inspire so many people with your energy and your positivity and your enthusiasm. And I just want to recognize you on that, because sometimes it's really hard to have that enthusiasm when bad things and hard trials are going on in your life. Another person I want to recognize is Dana Cruzan. Dana Cruzan is an awesome leader in her businesses that she does. She does so much. I mean, she works as a volunteer at a wolf sanctuary out there in Wrightwood, California. And it's just an awesome thing. The things that she shares about the wolves are an amazing inspiration. And she works so much. I mean, like, I hang out with her sometimes late at night, and she's still working while we're talking and stuff. And I just have a really good time with her, and I just want to recognize her as a great leader. And keep on persevering, you guys, because you just don't know how much of an impact you have on people. You have a great impact on people. And so tonight I just wanted to just talk to all of you, like, out there that maybe in my same age era, in the 50s. Life is not over because all your children are gone and out of the house. This is your time to spread your wings and become who you are. Do some self-development. Ask God to guide and direct you on what you're to do now that your children are out of the house. And, step out. Some of us haven't even got out of a chair in a while and, like, went out and took a walk or got some fresh air outside. You spend all your time in the house. And I'm just here to, encourage you to just get up and move and, put a little bit of change in your life every day, a little bit of change, a little bit of consistency every day, and you'll become successful in what you're trying to achieve. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, you can achieve. And I say can because it's what you allow and what action you take to have those achievements in your life that you're endeavoring in. And always give God the glory for the blessings that are coming into your life, the people that are coming into your life and speaking wisdom into you. there's a lot of people that come into your lives and into our lives, and we just we don't think that maybe it's divine appointment that they were brought there for us to learn something from them, because we can always be a student. We never stop learning. We don't arrive just like that. I'm so grateful and so thankful to have so many people in my life right now that are inspiring me to make changes in my life. I used to be a leader in high school, and I was a very outgoing person, and then some people came in my life that were abusive and really put me on a downward spiral where I started attracting those kind of people in my life all the time. And so just recently, I've been, in the last maybe 3 or 4 years, I've been learning a lot about the science of the mind and how powerful our thoughts and our intentions are, and how we believe and what we dwell on is really in the process of becoming. And I've analyzed this in my life, and I can see where when even I'm going through some hard times, where I think I can't get up out of it, and I keep persevering and saying, okay, I'm just going to keep on trying. I'm going to keep on, trying to accomplish this. It seems like there's a conflict at first. It seems like things get worse, but then all of a sudden it just breaks through in your heart, in your mind, and then in the physical realm. You manifest it because you don't give up. And these 2 women, they have never given up. And I've only known them for maybe a year, but they've been a very big impact on my life in enthusiasm and perseverance. Thank you, ladies. I love you. Have a great night. Give me a ring.